Good evening, I am Surya. I have come here on this my YouTube channel for the sake of those students who are asking me again and again, sir, how to speak fluent English. Here I would like to tell them all who are trouble in English, how to speak fluent English. My dear student, my dear follower, my dear well-wishers, on the behalf of me, I wanted to say you one thing, that if you want to speak fluent English in your life, don't think about anyone. If you are thinking about anyone, if you are doing anything wrong, if you are making mistake, there are many people to say and show it again and again in front of you, that is wrong, that's wrong, that is wrong. But no one is here who can say about your right side. No one is here who can praise yourself. If anyone used to praise yourself, they were for their self, not for yourself. Definitely, this world is apart from everyone. This world is alive with selfish. Everyone is doing work for their work, for their self, not me. But they are showing such that they are doing everything for myself. Here, don't think about here and there. Come on topic. If you want to speak English fluent, don't think about anyone, because it's a big mistake to us that we are thinking about anyone. We are speaking right or wrong. Don't think about anyone. No? It's our tendency. It's our tendency. If my occupations is farmer, my father is farmer, my mama is farmer, my family is farmer, we haven't any issue. We haven't any problem. If we are poverty, we haven't any problem. But we think about anyone and say it in front of him, her, definitely they make mistake. They anger to myself. Here, you are to think one thing, that you can speak English, then you will think about yourself. As a teacher, as a student, as a speaker, I would like to think, I would like to tell, I would like to say one thing to myself, that if you want to speak fluent English, do practice. Speak every time, speak everywhere, speak in front of anyone who belong to English. That day would be wrong for yourself, but which day is coming in your life will be great for you. Here, I would like to leave one message for everyone who are suffering for poor English, who are suffering for bad English. My dear student, my dear friend, my dear everyone, speak English by mean of use. Speak English by mean of everything. Speak English by mean of your knowledge. If you are thinking about speak good English, you should think about your life. Okay, here I would like to give you one tips how to speak fluent English. First, dedications. If you have dedications, you can do everything. Second, enthusiasm. Enthusiastic persons can everything. Third, encouragement. If you have encouragement, you can do everything. Fourth, make mistake. Make mistake again and again. If anyone said to you that you are doing wrong, so you tell them immediate without think 1 second. Yeah, I know about I am doing wrong, but what to do? I am doing wrong. Something. If I don't do anything. I was totally wrong. So please don't tell me about my wrong side. Please, if you are thinking if you are my well-wishers, tell my right side. I will be happy to you that I know if I am wrong, so I am going to become right. If I am wrong, so I am going to become right. If I didn't do any work, so how to become right? So please do hard, speak every time, again and again. Automatically, you can speak fluent. You can speak fluent. If you have any problems, you can call me. You can contact me by Fluent Spokens. I am always prepared. I am always ready. My coaching is always ready for you. If you have any problem with English, I will help you again and again until you got success, you got understand. Thank you so much. Bye bye.